In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can create reflection of text in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So we just need to open Microsoft Word first, but if you already have your document, then you can simply do that. So I'm just going to type a word from here. Okay. So we have this word, and then in order to put reflection on this word, you have to select the text or paragraph or the word. Okay, in order to select that, you just need to simply drag your cursor. Okay, so once you have selected the word, text, or paragraph, click on the Home tab, and here you can find this option. Text effects and typography. Click on this drop down arrow, and here you can find reflection. So here you have different reflection variations that you can choose from. It's up to you as to for your style or your preference and your requirement. You can simply click anywhere on the reflection variations and then that's it, okay? That's how you can easily create a reflection of text in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.